Hi everyone, thank you again for joining Lude at Sunnyside PT and Wellness. What I have for you today is I'm holding a red TheraBand and I'm going to go through stretches that you can do for your wrist to straighten your wrist and forearm, especially for those of you who are working from home, typing up all day, okay? So the wrist, all the muscles needs to be strong so that you don't run into trouble such as developing epicondylitis, medial epicondylitis, lateral epicondylitis, or even sometimes carpal tunnel syndrome. So the TheraBands can be purchased anywhere, including Amazon. If you are local here and close by to our clinics, feel free to stop by. We do sell them here, and we'll appreciate you supporting a local small business. So what you'll do is you'll find a chair that has, of course, a armrest. You'll place the band on the floor, and then from here you place one foot on the band, and that helps to hold the band in place, of course. Holding on with one hand, you can tie the band around like so, relaxing your wrist and putting your forearm on the armrest of the chair. From here we're going to go into wrist extension, which is slowly lifting your wrist upward and letting it go all the way down. So upward and letting that go all the way down. And as you see this, you can see the muscles of my forearm being activated or being placed on tension. So you know you're working the muscle group you want to work on. So that's extension. You'll flip it around. Okay, I'll turn this way. Up. So now the palm, my palm is facing upward towards the ceiling. Okay, and now we'll do wrist flexion. Okay, so curling the wrist or wrist curl, curling the wrist inward towards my forearm, and we're working on the flexors of the wrist. Okay, following up this exercise, of course, you want to stretch those muscles, and it's very simple. So you'll bring your arms forward and apply a gentle downward motion towards your wrist and hand, and hold it. Relax the shoulders. Hold that for about 10 seconds. And you'll do the opposite side of the opposite motion, which is turning the palm upward and apply the downward pressure towards the floor like so. Relaxing the shoulder and being mindful also not to overextend the elbows. We don't want that. We can actually create problems by overextending joints, okay? So basically putting the elbow into extension but not overextending the elbow, and apply a downward pressure. So there you have it. I've just given you some simple wrist strengthening exercises for those of you typing at home, as well as wrist stretches.